Hello and welcome back to my morning report charts process with me, Rich Bear Market Analyst at Hand Tech Markets. Let's look at dollar yen. Continues to track higher, doesn't it? And it actually broke out today above that May high. 1435 was the May high, and 1447 has been the high today. So that's interesting. We are sort of moving higher. I think a close above that May high would be an interesting breakout, because that would certainly bring out the market to sort of the March to January highs of 1550 to 1560. And it sort of brings us into a key area of overhead resistance, I think, within the trading for this year. Sort of, you could argue it's almost a range trade, isn't it, between sort of January and now, between 1560 down to sort of 108.10. But a breakout above 1560, that reopens the highs again. But the key move is coming also above that 23.6% fib, 114.27. So again, if the market can sort of start to trade clear of that fib level, then theoretically you're sort of looking towards a full retracement. So holding on to this breakout is important, I think, now, especially with the RSI 73. That was basically where it was in May, 72.9, before turning over. Yeah, I think this is an interesting break that could yet hold. But as I said, big overhead resistance still at 115.50 area. But strong moves pretty much on the momentum indicators on hourly and daily. Any sort of unwinding move towards 50 gets bought into on the RSI, towards neutral on the MACD lines is a buying opportunity. Stochastics have just rolled over a touch, and you've got initial support around sort of 114 area. You might get a bit of a retracement back towards that, but below that you've got 113.70, and then sort of back into this sort of little range that we had, 1270 to 1370. But yeah, some interesting moves, and I'd still be using little corrections as a chance to buy, because as I said, you're still in that uptrend. Still in that uptrend in the past few weeks, and that uptrend today comes in at 1360. So a little unwinding move wouldn't necessarily be the worst thing in the world. But yeah, I'd still be looking for buying into weakness. But yeah, just be mindful that we do still need to close above 114.35 to really sort of suggest the breakout is going on. So I wish you good luck in trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.